Hey guys, welcome back to our Bookster tutorial. This video will show you how to configure dynamic pricing for your service with Bookster discounts and fees add-on. Let's see our studio business here. I have set up some booking services with Bookster. On the front end, I want to book to take a group portrait. Wow, I received a discount of 20%. It's wonderful. Are you curious how can enable this feature for your booking system? Keep going to watch our detailed tutorial on this video. Now, let's start with WordPress dashboard. Bookster here, click on it to navigate to Bookster dashboard. We're running a studio business, so we have available services and agents here. See the administration here. Click on the add-ons section. Bookster offers a lot of add-ons to support users' working process. We've activated the discounts and fees add-on here. To enable other add-ons, you can click on Install Now. WordPress will auto-lead you to the details page of each add-on. To install it, you can purchase an individual add-on or choose the access option to get all the add-on functions of Bookster. So, back to our Bookster dashboard, click on Settings tab. Here is all the basic information about our real-time booking system. I want to create a discount rule for customers who choose our services. I'm going to click this tab, Discounts. Yeah, I'll configure a rule like, apply a 20% discount to appointments booked for group portrait service on weekdays between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. See a panel here. Bookster offers two types of pricing rules. In this video, we'll figure out with Add New Discount. Now, on this box, I should leave a discount name. Based on that, our customers could understand what they've received with the studio promotion campaign. Let's see. I'm gonna leave Catch 20% off as a name. Note that this box limits the characters for the name. About the discount formula, a drop-down list include two options. Choose Rate. And with the value box, I'll modify it as minus 20%. A point to note that if you delete this minus symbol, the rule will auto-change into add fee, like this. So, our studio has many service. I don't want run this campaign for all. I have to define specific service, even specific work period. For example, our customers rarely book a photo shoot on weekdays, especially around early afternoon. So I'm going to click on Add a Condition here. A drop-down list is condition. Let's choose weekdays. The value should be Monday to Friday. With the work period condition, I have to add more. Choose the new condition as booking time. Modify the applicable hours is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Finish with the service, I'm going to choose Group Portraits on the drop-down list. Yay, I think it's okay for the promotion program of our appointments business. The rule will take effect when the customer's demand meets all the conditions. Don't forget to hit Save Changes button here. Now, access to our booking page to see the result. Selecting the Group Portrait service here, any photographer you want. Choose the day, for example, is Thursday. Pick appointment time will be 4 p.m. Then click here to confirm the booking. Enter fully your information in case we forget the appointment. Bookster can remind via mail. Click to submit. Go ahead with the checkout section. Yeah, you can see an invoice here, the details of discount campaign. All done. Now it's your turn to tweak more interesting program for your booking system with Bookster and Bookster Addon. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye on our channel to see another tutorial with a list of Bookster add-on.